Welcome dear students in our online YouTube classroom, and in this classroom lecture we have to discuss about the nitrogenous activity. In my first part I have introduced about I have tell the introduction about what is meant by nitrogen metabolism and root nodule formation. In this lecture we have to see what is the exact conversion of nitrogen into the ammonia. Okay, first of all we should know about nitrogenous activity. What is exact nitrogen activity? ॲटमॉस्फेरिक नायट्रोजन हे ॲटमॉस्फिअर इन्व्हायरमेंटमध्ये प्रेझेंट असतं आणि हे नायट्रोजन हे सॉईलमध्ये इनटेक घेतलं जातं. त्यावेळी त्या नायट्रोजन प्रॉपरली इज टू बी हेल्पफुल फॉर द plant. That time this nitrogen is converted into the ammonia. Okay, what is the exact procedure of the nitrogen into the ammonia conversion? Okay, that because of the nitrogenase is the best enzyme for the help for the conversion of the atmospheric nitrogen into the ammonia. Okay, how is to be made this nitrogen? Okay, using the iron and molybdenum. Okay, this nitrogenase enzyme is made up of two protein component. One protein component contain molybdenate and iron or molybdoferrodoxin. This is the made up of component 1, and then other component only contain the iron, and this is called as the iron protein or azoferrodoxin. Okay, iron protein or azoferrodoxin. This molybdenate and Fe complex is to be consist of 15 to 13 ions, Fe ions, and also same amount of 15 to 30 sulfur ions, and one or more atom of the molybdenate for every 2 lakh or every 2 lakh to 3 lakh molecular weight. Okay, and the molecular weight of the Fe iron ranges from the 55,000 to 65,000 units molecular weight. There is a contain the 4 iron and 4 sulfur atoms. Okay, for the component formation. Okay, simple way, this nitrogenous enzyme is made up of 2 protein component. Okay, take it in mind. Okay, first of all we should know about nitrogenase. This enzyme is extremely sensitive to the oxygen, and this oxygen is to be inhibit the nitrogen fixation. ओके, नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशन जे आहे त्या नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशनला इनिबिट करायचं काम कोण करतं तर ऑक्सिजन करतं. ओके, ऑक्सिजन इज द इनिबिटर ऑफ नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. ओके, दॅट टाइम द लेग्युमिनस पिगमेंट्स of the root nodules is to be present, and heterocyst green algae, heterocyst is also like a pigment in a green algae, is to be regulate the O2. Means what I have says that I was says that in my last lecture, in the nodule these are the pink color and these are the leg hemoglobin. This leg hemoglobin want to convert the brown form. That time this leguminous plant, this leg hemoglobin is to be merged with the oxygen. ओके, जे ऑक्सिजन आहे ते इनिबिटर असतं. दॅट टाईम जे लेग हिमोग्लोबिन आहे ते मर्ज होतं ऑक्सिजनमध्ये, आणि दॅट टाईम इज टू बी हेल्प टू रेग्युलेट द ऑक्सिजन ॲक्टिव्हिटी, ऑक्सिजन inhibitor activity in this overall procedure. Okay, the N2 fixing organism to protect from O2 inhibition, on nitrogenous activity. Take in your mind, जे काही नायट्रोजन फिक्सिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहेत लाईक लेग्युमिनस प्लांट, बॅक्टेरियल, फर्न अल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, दिस ऑल लिचन्स. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये जे ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहेत N2 फिक्सिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम जे O2 ह्या नायट्रोजनस ॲक्टिव्हिटीला इनिबिट करतं, त्याच्यापासून प्रोटेक्ट करतं. ओके, simple way, take in your mind, nitrogenase is a really important enzyme to lead the conversion of the nitrogen into ammonia. Okay, let's come forward to the inorganic or molecular mechanism of the nitrogen fixation. What is the exact nitrogen fixation is to be occur? Okay, first of all we should know about what is the exact conversion of nitrogen into the ammonia. Okay, this is a complex word but simple way. Okay, nitrogen, this is nitrogen is want to convert the ammonia. Okay, nitrogen is want to convert the ammonia. Okay, हा atmospheric nitrogen आहे. Okay, this atmospheric nitrogen, okay, this free atmospheric nitrogen first bounded, okay, this atmospheric nitrogen first bounded to the enzyme surface. Okay, this is the enzyme, nitrogenase is the enzyme. ह्या एन्झाईमच्या सरफेसला हा नायट्रोजन atmospheric nitrogen हे बाइंड होतं until is to be not released until the conversion to the ammonia. जोवर नायट्रोजनचं कन्वर्जन अमोनिया मध्ये होत नाही तोवर हे जे नायट्रोजिनस एन्झाईमला नायट्रोजन बाइंड आहे तो रिलीज होत नाही. Okay, then nitrogen bonded to the enzyme surface is to be reduced in a stepwise reaction before the nitrogen bonds are to be broken. And nitrogen bonds continuously broke होत असतात during the conversion of nitrogen into the ammonia. The reduction of the nitrogen, okay, the reduction of the nitrogen into the ammonia, that time the nitrogenous bacteria is depend on the availability of the ATP. Okay, let's we after this cycle and after this conversion pathway we come forward to the what is electron transport into the nitrogen reduction. Okay, first of all जे atmospheric nitrogen आहे ते nitrogenase enzyme ला bind होतं. त्याच्यानंतर first of all oxygen is also present in the environment. This oxygen is absorbed by the hemoglobin. I have said that the nitrogen fixing organism is protected from O2 inhibition. जे O2 आहे ते इनिबिट करायला बघतं ही ओव्हरऑल प्रोसेस. त्यावेळी जे हिमोग्लोबिन आहे ते ऑक्सिजन ॲब्सॉर्ब करतं. ओके, साइड बाय साइड TCA cycle and ETC cycle is to be followed here. Okay, using this TCA cycle each and every step is to be bond the hydrogen and electrons atoms. Okay, hydrogen and electrons atom. Okay, this TCA cycle is to be provide each step, okay, each conversion to hydrogen atoms and 2 electrons ions. Okay, 2 electrons ions. That time this nitrogen is converted into diamide. Okay, diamide in the presence of nitrogenous. Okay, I have says that there is a 2 component nitrogen is to be composed from 2 components, Fe ions and iron, Fe iron and Fe molybdenate complex. Okay, this nitrogen is to be converted into the diamide. Okay, that time the hydrogen to hydrogen atoms and 2 electrons is to be help for this conversion. Okay, this diamide is to be converted into the hydrazine. Okay, again that time nitrogenase and nitrogenase enzyme is to be responsible, and also 2 electrons plus 2 H plus ions to be bonds during that conversion. And also then this hydrazine is to be converted lastly ammonia. Okay, this hydrazine is converted into ammonia in the presence of nitrogenase. Okay, and that time also the electrons and H plus ions is provided by TCA cycle. Okay, simple way this nitrogen is to be converted into the ammonia with the help of the H plus ion and electrons and nitrogenous enzymes. Okay, this is the exact conversion of nitrogen into the ammonia. Okay, when we come forward to the what is the exact reduction of nitrogen into the ammonia. Okay, ह्या नायट्रोजनला रिड्यूस व्हावं लागेल. ओके, जेव्हा अमोनियामध्ये कन्वर्ट होण्यासाठी. ओके, दॅट टाईम द नायट्रोजिनेस इन बॅक्टेरिया इज डिपेंड ऑन द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द ATP. ओके, जो नायट्रोजिनेस बॅक्टेरिया आहे, नायट्रोजिनेस बॅक्टेरियामधलं जे नायट्रोजिनेस आहे ते ATP इज टू बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस कन्वर्जन. ओके, दॅट टाईम and this ATP the reduced substrate capability is donating the hydrogen atom into the ammonia. ओके, ह्याच्यामध्ये जी काही रिड्युसिंग कपॅसिटी आहे ATPची ती हायड्रोजन ATC यावेळी सगळ्याच्या टायमिंगला एनर्जी इज टू बी व्हेरी important. Okay, that time ATP is the energy molecule. Okay, that time the reduction of the nitrogen into the ammonia, the nitrogenase is in the bacteria, the availability of the ATP is to be mandatory. This ATP generate in the bacterial respiratory chain and reduce the substrate obtained into the host cell. Okay, bacterial respiratory chain मध्ये जे काही ATP आहे ते जनरेट होतात आणि प्रॉपर होस्ट सेलमध्ये रिड्यूस होतात. ओके, व्हॉट इज द एक्झॅक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सपोर्ट इन एक्झॅक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सपोर्ट ड्युरिंग द नायट्रोजन रिडक्शन. ओके, नायट्रोजन जेव्हा रिड्यूस होतो तेव्हा काय एक्झॅक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सपोर्ट होतो. ओके, दॅट टाईम द ग्लुकोज 6 फॉस्फेट इज टू बी कन्वर्ट इन अ कन्सिडर टू बी अ रिड्यूसिंग substrate in the process. Okay, it reduced the NADP together with the ferredoxin function as an electron carrier. Okay, ferredoxin function as an electron carrier. Simple way, जे ग्लुकोज 6 फॉस्फेट आहे हे रिड्यूस कोणाला करतं तर NADPला. ओके, NADP रिड्यूस कोणाला करतं तर ferredoxinला. Okay, that overall process, the ATP is interact with the ATP. This is the ATP. The ATP is interact with the non-heme iron protein component of the nitrogenase. This is non-heme iron protein component nitrogenase मध्ये present आहे. Okay, and bring about the conformational changes to convert the powerful reductant. ओके, पॉवरफुल रिडक्टंट यूज करून प्रॉपर चेंजेस ऑकर होतात यामध्ये. ओके, अँड दॅट टाईम दिस कपॅबिलिटी इज ट्रान्सफॉर्मिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन रिडक्शन इंटू द नायट्रोजन इंटू द अमोनिया. ओके, जी नायट्रोजिनस आहे त्याच्यामध्ये नॉन-हीम आयर्न ग्रुप आहेत आणि दिस इज टू बी कॅपेबल टू कन्फर्मेशनल चेंजेस इंटू द N2 means nitrogen is to be converted into the ammonia. Okay, very simple. This is the electron transport in the nitrogen, electron transport during the nitrogen reduction. Okay, during that time at least 4 molecule of ATP are to be hydrolyzed for each pair of the electron transport on the nitrogen. Okay, take in your mind, there at least 4 molecule of the ATP, there is a 4 molecule of the ATP is to be hydrolyzed for each pair, is a hydrolyzed for each pair of the electron transport to the nitrogen. Okay, then this reduction is this molecule of nitrogen into 2 molecule of ammonia. Thus reduction of each molecule of nitrogen into the 2 molecule of ammonia. Okay, that time the 12 molecule of ATP become 6 electrons is required per molecule of nitrogen reduction. Okay, म्हणजे एक मॉलिक्यूल आपल्याला नायट्रोजनचा रिडक्स करायचा आहे आणि त्या एक मॉलिक्यूलमधून आपल्याला 2 मॉलिक्यूल अमोनिया मिळणार आहे. 2 molecules of the ammonia is to be come. ओके, दॅट टाईम जेव्हा हे कन्वर्जन होतं त्यावेळी 12 ATP रिक्वायर्ड असतात. 12 ATPs टू बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस कन्वर्जन. हाऊ इज टू बी 12 ATPs रिक्वायर्ड? सिम्पल वे, याच्यामध्ये 4 molecule of the ATP, 4 molecule of the ATP. ओके, is this session 4 molecule of ATP, and in this conversion 4 molecule of ATP. How many molecules? 4 4 4 4 plus 4 is to be 8, 8 plus 4 is to be 12. Okay, there is a overall conversion. This is the 1 molecule of the nitrogen and these are the 2 molecules of the ammonia. That time there is a 12 ATP is to be required for this conversion. Okay, simple way. Okay, again our last reaction for the nitrogen, this is the 1 molecule of the nitrogen. Okay, they take 6 hydrogen atoms, 6 electron ions plus 12 ATP. Okay, then it is conversion of 2 molecule of the ammonia and 12 ATP ADP, adenosine diphosphate, plus 12 IP, inorganic phosphate. Okay, this is the overall reaction, last reaction of the conversion of nitrogen into the ammonia. Very simple process, take in your mind. okay, only ammonia, nitrogen is want to convert into ammonia. That time in each step at least 2 electrons and 2 hydrogen atom is to be required, okay, and 4 ATP molecule is to be required, okay. This is to be also reduction of the nitrogen into the ammonia. Only this is the electron transport. What is the exact electron transport? Electron transport during the nitrogen reduction, okay. Simple way, using this 2 electron 4 molecule of the ATP is a transport to the hydrolyzed, okay, and transport to the nitrogen, and that time this reduced nitrogen is to be formed using 12 ATP to the 2 molecule of the ammonia. It's a very simple procedure, simple conversion and pathway and mechanism of nitrogen fixation. This is the symbiotic association of the nitrogen fixation. Okay, we come forward to the unsymbiotic nitrogen fixation. What is the exact asymbiotic nitrogen fixation? Examples, most of the plant is to be for most of the plant मध्ये काय होणार आहे, like symbiotic means what, two species come together and then there is a formation of symbiotic association. But asymbiotic means what, only single organism is to be responsible for the nitrogen fixation. Some example is also available. There is to be contain the asymbiotic nitrogen fixation. Like example, aerobic example is the azobacteria, fungi is to be yeast, blue green algae, etc. Okay, in this nitrogen fixation, symbiotic nitrogen fixation, this process, nitrogen fixation, is a non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation, is basically same in as the symbiotic nitrogen fixation. आणि ह्या नायट्रोजन फिक्शनसाठी एन्झाईम सेम यूज होतो. नायट्रोजिनेज एन्झाईम इज टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस फिक्सेशन. ओके, देन इन दिस nitrogen fixation, the ferredoxine, okay, ferredoxine play important role which reduce the component of the X, and this X is to be reduced, component utilized by the ATP energy, and form the ammonia from in the presence of from the ammonia from the नायट्रोजन. ओके, अगेन टेक इन युअर माइंड, इथे काय होणार आहे, नायट्रोजन हे अमोनियामध्ये कन्वर्ट होणार आहे ड्युरिंग द जो काही एक्स कंपोनंट आहे तो युटिलाइज करतो ATPला आणि इन द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ द नायट्रोजिनस एन्झाईम. ओके, ATP required the nitrogenous function is donated by the pyruvate. ओके, सिम्पल वे, असिम्बायोटिक असोसिएशनमध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, प्रॉपर नायट्रोजनचं कन्वर्जन करायचं आहे अमोनियामध्ये. ओके, नायट्रोजन इज वॉन्ट टू कन्वर्ट इन टू द अमोनिया. ओके, दिस इज द ओवरऑल conversion. That time pyruvate play important role. This pyruvate is to be converted into the acyl CoA and CO2. That time acyl CoA and CO2, that time this pyruvate is also supply the hydrogen ions and electrons via NADH and ferredoxine. Okay, NADH and ferredoxine. This conversion of the N2 nitrogen molecule into the 2 ammonia, okay, into the 2 ammonia molecule is required the 15 ATP, 6 electron and 6 hydrogen ions. Okay, and this reaction takes place stepwise. Okay, simple way, हा pyruvate काय करतो, this pyruvate is to be supply the hydrogen ions and the electrons to each step, and also side by side the ATP is to be also supplied to the each step. Okay, that time this nitrogen, okay, N2, okay, this nitrogen with the enzyme complex. Okay, enzyme complex कोणता आहे, इथं similar way nitrogenous enzyme is to be responsible for this conversion. This nitrogen is to be converted into the diamide. This is the diamide, okay, diamide. Okay, this diamide is to be converted into the hydrazine. Okay, hydrazine, this diamide is to be converted to the hydrazine. Okay, and this hydrazine is to be converted to the two molecule of the ammonia. Okay, that time this ATP is to be come from the pyruvate to each step for the conversion. Okay, स्टेप बाय स्टेपमध्ये ATP काय होणार आहे, येणार आहे आणि ह्या नायट्रोजनला कन्वर्ट होणार आहे डायअमाइडमध्ये. अगेन ATP कम in this next step, this diamide is to be converted into the hydrazine. Okay, again this ATP is to be come into the next step, and this hydrazine is to be converted into the two molecule of the ammonia. Okay, that time similar way these two hydrogen ions and two electron ions is to become in each step, and in each step these are responsible for the conversion. Okay, similar way. Okay, in that conversion more than 15 ATP is to be required, more than 6 electron ions is to be required, and 6 hydrogen ions is to be required for this conversion. Okay, this is the overall process of the asymbiotic association nitrogen fixation. Okay, mostly ATP and ferredoxin play important role in each step of the reduction of the nitrogen. Okay, this is the overall asymbiotic association nitrogen fixation. But in your syllabus there is a conversion of nitrogen and ammonia is a main point. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, later on we will see the nitrate reductase and the ammonia assimilation. Okay, then this is the second part of my online classroom regarding to the nitrogen metabolism. Okay, thank you so much.